Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Let us go and have fish on a Wednesday. What does that mean? So that was a thing back when I was dating a guy and he had a 9-to-5 job, and I've always been kind of building this life of freedom, right? That's why I work from home. I've always done it. I've kind of said that I wanted to build a life where I could go and do things like have fish on a Wednesday. That came up one day when he took me to lunch somewhere that was like maybe an hour away, and I was like, this is just, you know, a random Wednesday day. I get to go out, and it was by the beach, and I had a beautiful experience, and it's been a point of attraction for me that I always wanted to build a life where I could just get up and go have fish on a Wednesday if I want. I don't want to be tied down to anybody's desk. I've been building that life, but I have not been doing that life. And there's a part of me that really wanted to be a travel blogger, or wants to be a travel blogger, travel vlogger, I don't know. I want more travel experiences, and one of the things that I realize is that we tend to want the thing before we feel the happiness. We tend to want the big job before we say we have accomplished anything. And if you follow the law of attraction and manifestation and those woo-woo mumbo jumbo, which I'm a big believer in, you have to kind of call it in by believing that that is possible for you and doing the things before the bigger things come in, right? I spoke about this on my last video in my Grow with Mo series, where I was talking about, you know, if you want to manifest something in your life, you have to kind of feel your way into it. So if you want to be a millionaire, you have to find things that you can do in your life now, today, that embodies that millionaire. How would that millionaire act? How would millionaire you act? And find some little pieces of that life that you can incorporate now. So if the millionaire version of you gets up and has a meditation session, if they work out, if they eat healthy foods, those are things that you can do now in your life. You don't have to wait until you have $1 million to use it, right? Or to do them. So that's kind of what I'm doing with this whole Fish on a Wednesday series. Is I've decided that I've always said that when I reach big and, you know, I have all the money flowing in, then I'm going to have the kind of lifestyle where I don't have to work every single day, because even though I work from home, I do work a lot. And so I wanted to make sure that I have a life where I can get up and take off and go out on a road trip random weekdays. And so I'm going to do that on a smaller version, on a smaller scale. Now I can't get up and say I'm going to Miami today, but I can get up and say I'm going to Ocho or somewhere, right? Why not? So I'm going to take you along with me on my fun adventure today. Today we're going out, we're going to seek joy, we're going to seek fun. That's all today is. We're not bringing in any worries. I'm trying to clean up my vibration and bring in more of these adventurous experiences. Let's see what kind of trouble we can get into today. So let's go have fish on a Wednesday. So I'm back. What do you think about my dress? Is it cute? Me and the Munchkin will be wearing matching dress styles today. You'll see it later on in this video, and I think it's so fun to build these kind of memories with my daughter when we can, because, you know, when she grew up and she's a teenager and she wants to out with her friend, she not remember nothing about mommy, but it's alright. We all go through it, right? I wanted to talk a little bit more about the vulnerabilities behind that, because one of the things that I'm trying to do with this channel is share more of my life, because the lessons are there to be learned, and the more I talk about it, is the more I clear it out of my energy space, and it's the more that it is available for you if you need this kind of healing and teaching as well, right? So let's talk a little bit about what my year has been so far. I moved into this big beautiful apartment in February, and I love it. I can't tell no lie. I love my house. However, right as that happened, things just kept happening that were just like, if you are a tarot reader, then you know those tower moments. Things that just kept happening in my world that just kind of shattered my confidence, my happiness, my joy. I was just like, everything is trying to shake me up to see if this was a good decision. And, you know, we are the ones that attach meanings to things. And I definitely, that's what I felt like. I was like, okay, I made this big move and maybe I wasn't ready yet. And all these things are happening to kind of show me that. But what we have to remember is that we get to decide how we're going to live our life. And if we really and truly believe it, then whatever circumstances come up to try and test you, that's you testing yourself really and truly, because you get to decide the life that you kind of want to live, and everything that happens in your outer environment, what you can control is how you respond to it, right? And if you figure out how to control your responses so that it doesn't break you down, then life gets easier and life gets better, and you start to attract more things that helps you ease into life even when difficult times come. As I said, I've always wanted to be a travel blogger, and even though my finances have not matched up to that yet, I can't jump on a plane tomorrow if I wanted to. I can start small. I can take the trip to Ocho Rios or St. Thomas. I can take the trip right here. I can start with Jamaica. And so that's what I really want to encourage you all, is to start small, do whatever it is that you can, and start from there and watch it grow. So today I'm going to take that trip to Ochi. Why am I choosing Ochi? Well, my mother moved to Ocho Rios and it has brought her complete joy. She is a country girl, true and true. She always loves living in the hills, and so listen to me now. She moved into a 2-bedroom, 3-bathroom house for like a quarter of what I'm paying for this apartment. It's not things bring us the joy, it's the experiences. She is where she is, and that's happy. And I made a comment the other day on Twitter, follow me there if you haven't yet. My house is bare. Look at this big beautiful wall that I want to like put all art, and I have this vision of that accent chair that's going to go there so that I can cozy up and watch my TV, which is right behind you right now, and I can do more of these videos from the chair. And you see, that's why I put this there. I set up a corner for my YouTube channel and thing. But anyway, I haven't been able to like buy any house decor since I moved into this place, because I've been channeling all extra funds into helping my mom move, into helping my father who went through health scare. Enough things did I go on. Since we moved, just things and things and things and things. It brought up back some emotions for me of some things that I went through last year, and someone said to me that, you know, I don't know how to manage money, I don't know how to handle money, and I've been trying to work through that, because I was just like, okay, this is where my talk about. I made this big decision and now I'm broke. I made the decision for me. I'm so happy in my apartment. I love where I live. I have managed, like, no bill if not on my phone, nobody not come for me, like, all my bills are paid on time, and I'm able to help. Even though I'm managing everything in this space, I'm able to help everyone in my life who needs help as well. And so I'm choosing to focus on that. No matter how the circumstances seemed difficult, also around I'm fine it, and you know, I've been able to kind of hold on to the things that make me happy while helping the people that I love as well. And that's a blessing to me that I've been able to do that. And so I know that the more I continue to be grateful for that and hold on to the fact that I've been able to do that, is the more things I will bring into my life space eventually. And so I'm not worried about, oh, my apartment empty, and I don't have no YouTube space will look pretty, and so it's just a blank wall behind me. So far, I hope you'll come with me on the journey and watch the channel grow, and eventually I'll have my little cozy corner with my ring light so the video them can bash it and ting. This YouTube channel is all about me starting to be vulnerable and open up again and share the lessons that I go through with my life, because sometimes, you know, I'm bringing along my child with me and she don't really see what's going on behind the scenes. Here she sees everything that's happening and she thinks that everything is cool and everything's fine, and I'm not gonna sit down and, you know, explain everything to an 11-year-old, but eventually she will come back and watch these videos and learn what it is like to go through life, manage difficulties, and still come out shining. And I want to share that with you guys too, so I really hope that you guys enjoy the new content, and we're not boring up the thing no more. Let's go have fish on a Wednesday. What you doing? Okay, make out the breeze kinda. So I'm at my mama's place in the country. We don't reach Lobster Dave yet, but let me tell you something. This, I know I said earlier in the video, is a 2-bedroom, 3-bathroom house. It's 3 bedrooms, 3-bathroom, kitchen, dining, living, and even one next little room where she set up her little sewing things them. For quarter, what me up here now? I'm not going to tell you that thoughts have run through my head several times that maybe I should give up the damn apartment. I'll call dog, I call leave, so that I can take that money and start traveling today. How about that? How about that? Thoughts ravaging the head. But anyway, have a lot more to think about, like my child and showing a school and him something there. So until I start to entertain those thoughts, I just checking in. We're at my mama's, she's doing my laundry, and yeah, me still come, my mother also come to laundry, coming on the washing machine yet. Hello. And now we're gonna transform ourselves down to Lobster Dave. This man have a pet bird upon my string.
This is Misty, everybody.
His name what?
Misty Kelly Bird.
Oh my god.
First name Misty, middle name Kelly, last name Bird.
I don't mind say Misty Kelly Bird. Alright.
Yeah.
So the bird fly away and you catch him back.
Yeah.
No sir. Let me see the slippers.
What happened is that she damaged her tail here.
Oh.
In the ear.
Okay.
And she landed in my place.
Oh.
And interesting, I walked from about here to the gate and she was still there, and I just came back and picked her up.
Are you fix her up?
Yeah, she's been mine ever since about a week now.
Okay.
We've been together.
I see.
Yes.
Alright, Misty.
Misty and Neville, yeah?
I look like I want kiss Misty. Alright. Show me bed slippers and where you say I saw me.
Alright, the bed shoes now. The bed shoes, right now I only have baby size.
Then why you come to me? I guess all my foot big?
Well,
Your foot bigger.
I make them custom. I could have sworn I saw you two this morning up at the craft.
No.
Passing by the craft market.
No.
These are the baby size. And I do them custom. I'm at the craft market.
In Ocho Rios?
In Ocho Rios. I'm at
Okay.
the front from morning till evening.
Okay.
And these are baby size.
Okay, sir. So you don't have nothing can fit me?
No.
That is very interesting.
I'm supposed to get some pictures of customers who send me happy with their...
I would want to see that because the only reason I entertain you is because I did actually want the house slippers.
You can find me on Facebook.
As what?
I am Neville Alexander Walker.
Neville Alexander what?
Walker.
But
But
with the bird walker, I see. Okay. Alright, sir. I'm going to eat hungry. Bye. Thank you. This view is absolutely beautiful. This is how I want to eat lunch every day, with this view. No, sir. But over here, Pat Mary, maybe we should go over to Whaler's Seafood and Shrimp. But there's nobody over there. That's not a good sign. That's not a good sign. Oh my god, the food finally arrived. Fried lobster and shrimp pasta for that one. The pasta is bigger than our head. She having pasta for lunch and dinner. Ooh, I'm gonna dig into this. So we are here at the Fisherman Village in Ocho Rios. This is what it looks like. My feet are in the water right now. We just finished eating and I'm just kind of relaxing, allowing my food to digest, grounding my feet into the ocean to find back my happiness. Yes, this is what life is about. Being able to take off and enjoy paradise. Why the hell would you want to live in paradise and not get up every minute as often as you can and actually go enjoy it? Wow, I don't know if they're coming out on camera, but there's like 1,000 little fish. They're silver, so I don't know if it's coming out on camera. But I am having fun in nature today. Don't go out there and wet up your clothes and come back in my car. These are the things that bring me joy. Out here, sun on my skin, vitamin D, grounding energy irons from the earth. Munchkin asked me, I said to Munchkin, let's go put our feet on the earth, take our shoes off. She said, you got that from the hippie place, don't? Well, I'm really happy with the memories that I'm building with this child, yes. I got it from the hippie place and many other places like it. back home in time for sunset, back in the concrete jungle. And it was a lovely day, a fantabulous day. It was a change of scenery, and I'm encouraging y'all to get up, get out, and do that every now and then. We live in paradise, and we all need a mental health break every now and then. We undervalue the healing power of nature. Get up, get out, get outside. That's really all today was for. It's just me getting outside and changing up the scenery a little bit and reminding myself that I'm not stuck in a cubicle. I can get up and go out and do what I want. That's what I'm building in my life, and I encourage you to find some time to do that every now and then for your own self too. So if you can't take a whole day off and go out to have fish on a Wednesday, then try somewhere new for lunch today. Let's just make life a little bit prettier, no? A little bit more beautiful. So I hope you enjoyed my little country run today to go have fish on a Wednesday. I will see you guys next time. Make sure you smash that like button if you like the content here, and subscribe now